this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin price action has played out exactly as predicted. But the question is, are we now going to see a pullback with the Bitcoin price action? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, at the end of this video, I will be announcing the winner of the Apple Watch SE giveaway. So yeah, stay tuned up until the end of this video. But right now, let's now dive in dito with the Bitcoin price action. And let's give you first a quick recap of our previous analysis. So di ba sa previous analysis, sinasabi ko nga na meron nga tayo ditong falling wedge in the 4-hour time frame. Not at the same time, meron din tayong minomonitor na bullish divergence nga dito. So as what I've been telling you, declining price while increasing RSI is yung thing na natin na abangan. And as you can see, this has played out exactly as predicted. So congratulations if you were able to take advantage of that trade. Ako personally, I took advantage of that trade and I was up until 400% in profits dito. So yeah, right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So as you can see, dito sa 4-hour time frame, it has formed a bearish divergence. So indicating na we are going to see a pullback dito. But on top of that, ito yung kailangan nyo tingnan guys. In the daily time frame, there is a much bigger bullish divergence dito. Ayan o. There is a much bigger bullish divergence which could tell us na this pullback is going to be short and pwede tayong umakyat pa dito kay Bitcoin price action. So as you can see right now, nag-try ako mag-open ng short position dito for the very short term sa pullback. But yeah, medyo mahirap yung trade ko na yan. Hindi ko masyado na optimize. But right now, I have opened a long position for this pullback because if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame and if you're going to plot a support area dito, you will find na right now, this support area is playing around here. Ito. So, ayan, may support area tayo ngayon dyan na nag-form. So, right now, in this support area, nag-add ako ng Bitcoin long position dito. Kasi what I'm expecting dito is a bounce dito kay Bitcoin price action. However, ito yung kailangan nyo take note. We have to monitor this area. Kasi if hindi niya na-hold yan, pwede tayong bumagsak dito back to the 58,000 US dollars. But right now, I'm looking very positive dito with the Bitcoin price action na we are going to get a bounce dito following the Bitcoin bullish divergence in the daily time frame. And on top of that, the reason why I am expecting a pullback din kasi nagkaroon din tayo ng bearish cross in the daily time frame. So right now, that pullback is somewhat expected na nga ngayon. But if you're going to look at the previous movement, parang exact replica lang na nangyari dito eh. Ito guys. Ito. Ipakita ko. Ito. So, nung downtrend, nagkaroon tayo ng bearish cross dito sa downtrend. Ito. Bearish cross. And then after that bearish cross, we have seen Bitcoin go down nga dito following that movement. But as you can see, we have seen also a pullback to the support or to the resistance area. Tapos saka siya bumagsak dito kay Bitcoin. So right now, what I'm expecting ngayon is somewhat similar na magkakaroon siya ng pump and then pullback muna. Tapos saka siya akit dito kay Bitcoin price action. And for the targets dito, what I'm expecting dito is going to be around the 66,000 US dollars as our first target. Then if ma-break natin yung 66K, we are going to look at the next target dito, which is playing around 73 or 74k US dollars. So that is what I am now expecting dito with the Bitcoin price action. So yeah, pretty much a lot of things to monitor dito with the Bitcoin price action. Pero ang very critical dito is yung support area na to. Dapat magkaroon tayo ng ma-hold niya yung support area na to. And hindi na tayo bumagsak much further dito with the Bitcoin price action at dapat magkaroon na siya ng bounce dito. So yeah, that is what I am expecting here with the Bitcoin price action. And take note, I am taking advantage of this trade kay Wix as well as kay Bybit. So make sure to use those platforms, and if wala pa kay account doon, make sure to use my sign up links which you can find in the description down below. But yeah, let's now dive in dito sa Apple Watch giveaway natin, and let's see kung sino yung mananalo dito. And let's start spinning the wheel. And our winner is Florita Necesito. So congrats Florita Necesito for winning the Apple Watch SE giveaway. And yeah, I will be contacting you through Instagram para ma-coordinate natin kung paano mo makukuha yung Apple Watch SE giveaway. But yeah, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.